So a bit of time ago I went to Kasauli and I had this really amazing halwa at my friend Richa's place, and I immediately got into the kitchen and of course I asked them to share the recipe, and they shared their recipe with me. I am going to tweak it a bit, as in I'm just going to be adding a little raisins and a little almonds to it, but otherwise I'm going to be keeping this GEHU halwa as sacrosanct as possible. Toasting a few almonds. Get ready and make the sugar syrup. 2 cups of water, half a cup of jaggery to this instead of adding sugar. Half a cup of jaggery and a little more. Start by heating half a cup of ghee. So I'm going to be adding raisins. Quick fry. As soon as it gets bloated, it's ready. This is how it needs to look. Keep cooking it till it becomes a nice dark shade of brown. So as you can see, it has become slightly darker, and I'm going to just add the kishmish to this, and this of course is going to keep cooking and keep browning. Okay, so as you can see, it has now really darkened, but now this halwa is going to get even darker because what we're adding to it is this water that has got good in it. Just be very careful because it spits, so when you're cooking this, you'll be really careful with it on a low flame. Look at how beautifully it comes together. You just keep cooking it down. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom that I'm going to be adding to this wonderful halwa. At this point of time, if you want to add a little extra ghee to it, please do, but I think this is done. Now this is something that I would definitely serve even during Diwali, and so I'm sharing this recipe because it's the festive season and having this fresh after playing cards would be a lot of fun. Absolutely fresh and yummy. The toasted almonds. Really hot halwa from the pan. Oh my god, this is so yum, guys, and it's not too sweet, so nobody will mind it, and the ghee is great for your skin.